Table calculations summary. In this section, we explored table calculations and hopefully you have a good understanding of how they work. We looked at setting up quick table calculations just to get our heads around the idea of aggregating based on a table. So your data in your table, in your view, has been aggregated, and then we are going to run aggregations on top. We looked at how we can configure quick table calculations. Looking at quick table calculations helps us form our basis for what is to come. We then looked at writing our own table calculations using a variety of functions. The key thing here, with quick table calculations, there are a limited set provided by Tableau with unique configuration capabilities. I would encourage you to explore and play with them. Also, at the same time, in terms of table calculations, there is a very wide set. We're not going to go through every one of them in any given course. However, if you understand the concepts, you'll know how to write your own. And more importantly, once you've written your own table calculations, how to configure them for maximum effect. We then looked at nested table calculations. Not a long section, but the key thing is you can use a table calculation within a table calculation. And once you do that, each of the table calculations can have their own configurations. So we're nesting these. There's some very interesting stuff that we've done with them. And lastly, we looked at how we can use table calculations in our filters. And remember, as we build our dimensions, as we build our measure aggregations, only after that do we actually apply our table calculations, and therefore they are the last in our filter chain. So the key thing now is hopefully you have a really good basis. In the next section, we are going to explore this more through working through some examples together. So look forward to seeing you then.